Greeting viewers, welcome to El Harati. In today's video, I am going to be taking you on a journey through NiceHash EasyMining. Stick around until the end because I will be sharing my own experience with renting hash power and miners. But before we dive into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like. It fuels the YouTube magic and it will help me a lot. Alright, let's talk about EasyMining. It's NiceHash red carpet to renting hash power. And they call it EasyMining because, let's face it, nobody wants complicated mining, right? Now they are selling it as your golden ticket to catching the block. But here's the reality check. It's like mining and gambling had a baby. Trust me, it's addictive and I will keep the suspense about my experience for now. So let's dive into the packages. Now, here we got the packages. There are 4 packages and 3 tiers. We got Chromium package, Palladium package, Silver package, and Gold package. So the Chromium package is for Raven Coin, and the Palladium is for Lite Coin and Doge Coin. The Silver is for Bitcoin Cash, and the most important one, the Gold package, is for Bitcoin with the total price of 316,000. Now let's talk about probabilities. The Chromium S has 1 in 14 chance of hitting the block. Sounds low, but for just $5, the potential prize is $59. It's more than 10x the money you put in. And the medium tier is for $30, but your chance of hitting the block is even higher, with 1 in 2.9. But here's the other twist. If you are very lucky, you can even hit more than just 1 block. I saw people getting 3 blocks in 1 package. And here we start with the gambling side of it, because the more money you put in, the higher the chance of you hitting the block. Now, a quick lesson on effort and luck. In mining, we have something called effort, or as others call it, luck. It's how much effort or work does the miner puts so he can hit the block. 1% effort means that you only did 1% of the total work that you should do to hit the block, and that means that you are very lucky. And 100% means that you have done the whole work to hit the block. But hold on, sometimes you need to break that 100% barrier. And that, my friends, is where luck plays the role here. So the conclusion here is the lower the effort, the more lucky you are. Let's talk about my personal experience. Let me share a little story. I rented a hash power for Raven Coin a while back, before EasyMining ever existed. And boy, was luck playing hide and seek with me. I reached a whopping 550% effort and still didn't get any block. Can you believe it? But hey, there were those magical moments where luck plays the role for me, with 4% and 2% and yes, even 0%. And there you have it, NiceHash EasyMining. In the next video, I will dive deeper into the packages that I bought, detailing the wins and the losses. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share your mining adventures in the comments. Until next time, happy mining.